Here's exercise 12.2, question number first. Let's read the question last year. Read the
Find the
question.
area of a sector of a circle which radius 6 cm if angle of a sector is 60 degrees.
Yes, sit down next. Read the question.
Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if angle of the sector is 60 degrees.
Next.
Find the area of a sector of a circle with the radius 6 cm if angle of sector is 60 degrees.
Then in this figure, what is given to you? The angle between the radii is given to you. Angle between the radii is given to you and the radius are given to you. And what we are observing here, we are getting this sector. And what we are considering, this one is the minor sector for this circle or major sector? This one is minor sector. Why it is minor sector we are calling? Who will tell me why we are calling this as the minor sector of the circle?
सेमी सर्कल के हाफ है
Because it is less than the angle of semicircle. Then theta we have 60 degree. Radius is given to you 6 centimeter. And we know the formula of finding the area of sector. Then area of sector is equal to, tell me the formula, do it fast. Put the values. Value of pi is given to you in the question. If it is not given, then take it as 22/7, and if it is given 3.14, then you have to do it accordingly. And radius, if you are getting, then radius we are getting as 6 square. Then on solving this, we are getting 1/6 into 22/7 into 6 into 6. Get the product of these two. 22 into 6. Do it fast and the answer.
132/7
Centimeter square. And this is the required area. Because we are taking the value of pi as 22/7, it means that we are able to write the final answer is in fraction. But try to write the answer always in decimal. Then divide these two values and tell me the answer in decimal up to 1 places of decimal. Written? You are getting the same in the video presentation also. If you are not able to write anything, then you are able to get it from there. Then the second question we have. Go through the question number second. Just last bench, read the question.
Find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 cm.
This statement is very confusing. If you go through the statement, then confusing statement is given to you in this question. Let's sit down next.
Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 cm.
In this question, the circumference is given. Then who will tell me that this circumference is called circumference of this circle or the circumference of this quadrant? If this question you have, then tell me what is given to you. Whether circumference of circle is given to you or the circumference of quadrant. Then pi r upon 2 plus 2r. Which value is given? This one or this one? Yes, your answer is Question is clear? I want to ask in this question, circumference is given. Then that circumference is for circle is given or for the quadrant is given?
For the quadrant.
For the quadrant. Yes, your answer?
Sir, for the quadrant.
Quadrant. Yes, last. Quadrant.
So
Quadrant is given. Yes, next read the statement. Second question, question number second, read the statement.
Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter.
Yes, again if you are going through this statement, then go on this and the statement is given to you. You have to find the area of quadrant of a circle. Means this circumference is given to you and that circumference is for circle. Of a circle. Circumference of a circle is given to you in this statement. And this value is given to you. Circumference of circle is given to you and this is equal to 22
centimeter.
Then on solving this, if you are keeping the value of pi, we are getting the radius of circle on solving this. R is equal to 7 by 2 or you may write 3.5 centimeter. Statement is clear? Now the radius we have and what we have to find? We have to find the area of quadrant. Then area of quadrant equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. And if we have the radius and we have the radius in decimal and we have the radius in fraction also, then which value we are going to put, that is also very important. Then what we know, if you are keeping the value of pi as 22 upon 7, then we are getting the value 7 in the denominator. It means that easily if you are putting this value, then easily we are getting the solution. Then 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Solve this. 77 upon 8. Then go to question number 3. Written, all of you have written this. Go through the statement of question number 3. That question is also very important. Let's read the statement last venture. Question number 3.
The length of the minute hand of clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area square by the minute hand in 5 minutes.
Next.
The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Find the area left by the minute hand in 5 minutes.
Next.
The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes.
What we know, if you are observing the clock, then we are getting the longest length as the minute hand of the clock. That one, this we are getting. And according to question, yes, you read the statement again. Question number 3.
The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area set by the minute hand in 5 minutes.
This one we are considering. If we are getting the minute hand on this, it means that this time we are getting as 5 minutes. If minute hand is moving, and if it comes from 12 to 1, it means that we are getting 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this area we have to find. Clearly we are observing in the figure, this is a sector and we have to find the area of sector. For finding the area of sector, we need the angle theta and the radius. Radius we have, but we don't have angle theta. Then this we have to find first. What we know, if this minute hand take 60, in 60 minutes, the complete angle we are getting. If the minute hand takes 60 round, 60 count if it takes, then we are getting the complete angle. Means in 60 minutes we have 360 degree. And what we have to find? In 1 minute. In 1 minute we are finding then 360 upon 60. We are getting 6. Means in 1 minute, this minute hand covers the distance of, covers the angle of 6 degree. Covers the angle of 6 degree. And what we needed the angle for 5 minutes. In 1 minute, it covers an angle of 6 degree. Then in 5 minutes, it covers 5 into 6 degree, means 30 degree. Then this is the angle. Now the angle we have, use area of sector, then required area is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Put the value and solve this. Value of pi is given to you. If it is not given, then we are taking 22 upon 7. Radius if you are considering, then 14 is the radius. 14 into 14. Solve this.
इधर दे देना, साथ में होगा ये।
Solve this and tell me the answer. Similarly, use these formula and solve the other questions of this exercise.